All right, so this quick little recording is just to show you how to render your video, your animation. So this is my little animation. It's quite short just as a demo, but you can see a couple things on the bottom of the timeline here, or in the timeline. So I want to make sure that I have brought the time indicator back to the beginning of the animation. I would also recommend that you clip your work area to shortly before it starts and then after it ends, so you don't have a big long extra time. You can also go up to composition settings at the top, and you can make sure that the duration is within that 10-second time frame that we talked about. So if your animation's longer, that's fine, but try to trim your video down in time up there as well. All right, so we're ready to render. So in order to do that, we're going to go up to the composition menu and choose Add to Render Queue, and that will open up a new window in the timeline properties here. And the settings that we're going to use are down here on the bottom. I'm going to delete this one. This is a previous render. Okay, so and again, you guys can do that too. If for whatever reason it doesn't work, you just click on it and hit the delete button and it will disappear from the render queue. All right, so we're going to keep it at best settings. We're going to click on the word lossless to change the format. It is a QuickTime video, but we're going to click on Format Options. We're going to choose H.264. We're going to bring the quality down to 75%. By the way, if your video ends up too large, you can always bring the quality down a little further. That'll help with the file size. You're going to click OK. OK again. And then the last thing we need to do is change the output. So when we click on the name of this video, we're going to name it last name first, and then your first name. So you're going to type in your last name, your first name, underscore final animation. And you can just put it on your desktop. Okay, and then you're going to click Save. And finally, you're going to click the render button. You will see this blue line indicating that it's rendering and that nice sound effect. And then you're going to go check your desktop. So I'll just go to mine. Okay, look for final animation, or sorry, last name, first name. So here's my animation. I'm going to just click on it, get the playback. I can see it's 5 seconds long. Here's my animation, and this is what I'm going to be turning in. All right, so you're going to be turning this into Canvas. And then for those of you who are taking the NAF test, today what you're going to be working on is uploading that to your HTML page, which I will do in a second video. Thanks for watching.